Welcome to Villa Choggori, a modern masterpiece with breathtaking sea views. Oh, I can't wait to show you. Come on in. So as soon as you walk into this amazing grand house, you see these double staircases, the double height ceilings. But one thing that always strikes me as I walk into this amazing house in this location is the views. Set over 2,000 square meters, this 5-bedroom, 9-bathroom mansion in the hills has everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Underfloor heating, it has a lift, it has an indoor pool, it has spaces for bar, for chill out area, for wineries. The mind boggles, you could do anything with this house. 2,000 square meters is a lot, but look at the details, the porcelainic floors, this area here, all framed, looking out to the sea, a stunning office space. I could imagine working there for hours, and one of the most beautiful kitchens I've ever seen. Come on, let me show you. On an elevated plot of over 5,000 square meters. I don't really need to tell you how beautiful these gardens are. You have eyes. And have a look at the swimming pool and have a look at this lovely barbecue area. And of course, the most important thing is the stunning views. You can see the sea behind me and you can see this beautiful valley. What you see is what you'll get because it's a natural reserve. It's never going to be built on. It's also set in Benahavis, and for those who don't know, Benahavis is actually one of the richest municipalities in all of Spain. Now I say this for several reasons. Number one, you're surrounded by equally, maybe, I mean this is one of the most beautiful houses I've ever seen, but sure, beautiful houses. But also you're in an area that is secure. Now I'm talking 24 hours, 7 days a week, nobody's coming in and you are the only ones going out. And that's what makes this location so special. So where are we and what makes this place so special? Well, this is El Madroñal. And the reason why El Madroñal is home to some of the richest people in all of Europe is quite simple. Number one, as you can see from the views, we're only 10 minutes to the coast. Number two, you're so connected here that 40 minutes you're to Ronda, in 10 minutes you're down to the beach, in 35 minutes you're all the way to Malaga Airport, and that's via a toll road, so you don't have to go through traffic lights or traffic. So that's one thing. Number two, we have over 12 luxury, some of the best golf courses in the whole of the coast. And then let's not forget that Benahavis is the gastronomic center of the whole of Andalusia. And some might say the whole of Spain. So, you know, if you like restaurants, this is the place. It's special. And of course, it's silent. Let's go check out the house. Like I always say, all good things must come to an end. I hate leaving these properties. I literally want to hide somewhere and stay here, but I can't. If you feel the same way and you want to see the property, well, make sure to click the link below, and I'm sure one of our amazing agents will help you out. But for now, I'm out. See you later.